Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel for the love of beauty. Thank you all so much for tuning in. And if you're new, welcome. Please consider on subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you guys. Y'all, it is finally here. I am here to do my fall tablescape, getting ready for Thanksgiving. So I'm just going to say fall and Thanksgiving tablescape. Yes, but first I am going to wipe down my table, and y'all know that I love spray way glass cleaner. It has no streaks, nothing. It doesn't leave any streaks behind, what I'm trying to say. But that have always been my go-to when I want to clean glass around the house. So y'all just watch me clean my table, and I will be right back with you.
Never felt something just like this ecstasy. Never been this close to heaven. I don't know if this is real or fantasy. But somewhere.
You know, I had to get down to the base of my table. So I haven't dusted underneath my table in a long time. So I said, well, let me get down and dust the base of my table so I wouldn't have to worry about that in the long run.
You safe while you were dreaming.
I have been thinking about getting an area rug from my dining area, but I'm not so sure yet. But I just been thinking about it. I have not yet found window curtains for my dining area. I've saw a couple of curtains that I wanted, but they only had it in a 63-inch, yeah, in length. So I'm still looking, y'all, for my window curtains because I had these sheer curtains up to the window since 2020. So I want to make a change, either find some solid curtains and have those like, in the middle. But I'm still searching, you guys. This tablecloth I did get from Goodwill. I did a haul on it. So if you can watch my previous videos, you'll see most all the things that I am going to place on my table in the previous video. So be sure to go and check it out. And the next thing I am going to place on my table, now I got this table runner from Ross.
Oh my God, if forever is not enough. Oh my God, what a time to be in love. Oh my God. Never been this close to heaven. Never felt something just like this ecstasy. Never been this close to heaven. I don't know if this is real or fantasy.
Those two mirrors I got from Goodwill.
Somewhere in between. Oh, yeah. Name a better duo. So why do we do this dance? Are we moving too slow? Cause you need reassurance. Don't conflate issues. Why you always jump to? Do I really want you? When you know that I do. You so
I've gotten those placemats from Roses, and it also has Gather on them. I've gotten 6 of those placemats, and I'm going to use one for the centerpiece. Now, those brown placemats, I want to say that I got them from the Salvation Army. But if you go back and check my previous videos, you will know where I got them from. I did a haul on them. I believe I got them from the Salvation Army. If not, I got them from Goodwill. But they are thrifted.
yours. My love, just rest assured.
And at this point, I'm trying to see which side is the right side, because one side is matte and the other side is glossy. So the glossy side is supposed to show.
Baby, come let down your guard. You think I care about money when I just helped you get ready for your interview? You think I like your body when I just caught close that I knew it looked good on you? Who do you think you are? Baby, you're an asset. 'Cause if I'm rocking with you, you're as good as it gets. But you're so scared of real love. Real love, real love. 'Cause you've been abandoned with any mistake. They quick to run, run, run. And so you run.
I am using both sets of the placemats. I'm setting the gathered placemats on top of the brown. And it looked pretty good, y'all. The brown shows through.
Baby, take the moment, you got it. It's yours, it's yours, it's yours. My love, just rest assured. I'm yours, I'm yours. Tell me what you running for. You don't have to try so hard. Baby, come let down your guard. No, you don't have to try so hard. Let go of your pride. Baby, come let down your guard. Safe to come inside.
And I've gotten those chargers from the Goodwill. Those place set, I did get them from the Humane Society thrift store. And it only came with 4 bowls. But I went to the Dollar Tree and purchased 2 bowls. Now, the Dollar Tree have similar plates, but their plates didn't have any pumpkins on it. So I like the plates that I saw at the Humane Society thrift store. So I got those sets of plates for $19.99. But only the bowls, they only had 4. I went to the Dollar Tree and purchased 2 more. The bowls was just alike, so I went and purchased 2 more. But the plates, like I mentioned before, they didn't have pumpkins on it, just only the leaves. Now the saucers had leaves and had gather on it. Now the saucers that I have gotten have the pumpkin plus the gather on it. I figured setting the bowls on top of the plates, it just didn't look right because you can't see the place with the pumpkin and the saucer with the word gathering on it. So I set the bowls aside. I have an extra set just in case I break one. I have an extra set. So those napkins there, I did get from, I want to say I got them from the Salvation Army. Y'all, be sure to check out my previous video. I will share with you all where I got everything from. So those napkins, I want to say that I did get them from the Salvation Army. Now, these are the napkin rings that I've ordered from Amazon. They came in today, which today is Friday. I wanted to do the two color cloth napkins. So just searching and trying to find the right colors, for your table scheme. I just said, this one set of napkins will do for now. Y'all be sure to check out my previous video of me doing a DIY on this pumpkin centerpiece. Now, I've gotten the idea from Tangy Webb. Her YouTube channel is All Things Home Decor and More with Tangy Webb. The pumpkins and the flowers I did get from Michael's, and the candle holders and the candles I've gotten from Goodwill. And if you have noticed that I didn't put any glasses or silverwares or cups, I just didn't want it on my table at this time. I just want something simple but elegant. Now, this is a thrifted with a few of department store items. So I think thrifting items can make a table look good. You just have to be creative. That's it. You just have to be creative in your own way, knowing what you like. So I was looking around just to see if I need anything else on my table, which I don't. Now, I'm getting ready to remove the chair covers off of these chairs. Now, the table and the chairs I did get from the Facebook Marketplace. Now, I do have 4 chairs. If I can get 1 or 2 more the same, I will be satisfied. I thought about buying new table chairs, which I really don't need any more chairs. I do have a set of 4 chairs out in the shed, but what I'm going to do is do a DIY on those chairs, and I will sell them and put them on Facebook Marketplace. But I don't need any more chairs when I have these. Only thing I have to do is search for or Google for some chairs like the one I have. Now, they are like a snake skin print. Yeah, I think snake skin print. I will show you in a little bit how it looks up close. So these chair covers I had for a while, and I got them from Amazon. And I had them for a while. Yes, I got them off of Amazon. And I really don't need any more chairs, y'all. I like these chairs. If I can only find one or two. This table is large enough to have 6 chairs, but I have my table set up for 5. Now, I do have a dark chair, a dark brown chair sitting in the back just in case, I have a guest over, I have an extra chair. Instead of 4, I have 5. What I need to do until I find some chairs like the one I have, I need to get a cream color cover to put over that dark brown. Only thing I need is one, but I think I'm going to search Goodwill or some thrift stores for cream color, chair covers.
Ooh, baby, it's like the world is on our side.
This is it, you guys. I was just rearranging the chairs. I want to put the darker chair in the back somewhere so it won't be pretty much seen. So this is it, y'all. This is my table. I hope that this motivates you to do a tablescape. I would love to see. And y'all just, come back. Come back, come back, come back. This is my table, y'all. I just want to say thank you so much for tuning in. If you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Be sure to hit the notification bell button so that you will not miss out on any of my videos. Please come back because you never know what I may have next for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's been a long time coming, and here it is. Thanks again for watching. Bye-bye.